Hey guys, welcome to a new video. So yeah, today's video is about LFJ's trading terminal, screener and limit orders that's in beta. So if you're looking for an easy way to discover legit tokens, trade seamlessly and set limit orders with zero slippage, you have to check out LFJ's brand new trading terminal and screener. So I'll show you how to use it, and we'll also see certain tokens and check out how the trading terminal works. So once you're in the LFJ homepage, make sure it's lfj.gg. Once you're here, you can see the search bar through which you can access the terminal. So let's say I want to search for Wink, right? Now I want to search for Wink and check at the market stats for the the statistics for the whole chart for Wink, right? As you can see here, once I search, I am in the the trading terminal and screener. This is actually pretty awesome. And now you can analyze better. You can see the top, you can see the trades that is happening. You can see how many holders there is. You can see the chart. You can see the 1 hour, 4 hour, 12 hour, 24 hour transactions. As you can see, 24 hours, 7.4k transactions, and Wink is blowing up. And I feel like Wink is gonna go up soon, once the market stabilizes. It's I see a lot of people very hyped about Wink and holding their Wink. By the way, nobody's cheating, so it's good. I mean, I'm there might have been few people cheating, but most of the people I know personally, they're holding on to Wink. So yeah, pretty potential, a token with good potential. I'm also planning to buy some once I get an entry. I have set a price in mind, maybe 0.13 if it does dip, or I might even end up buying at this current price because the current price is really good. So yeah, as you can see here, you can use the screener and get a token list as well. So now let's say you want to check out AVAX, right? So just click on search AVAX. Yeah, let's just go. Yeah, AVAX there. As you can see, it's pulled up. You can see the trades, the holders, everything like I mentioned. This is really good. And this is not just on AVAX. I'm just showing on AVAX. This is on Arbitrum. This is on Base. This is on Berachain, and this is on BNB chain as well. So yeah, let's go to Berachain, right, really quickly, and let's do Bera, right? I just want to show it to you guys as well. So yeah, let's do Berachain. So as you can see, it's pulled up Bera as well. Now this is very interesting. So earlier what I used to do was go to DEX screener. Now I don't need to do that. Now I can do it at all in one place, and that's really amazing. So yeah, now the screener overview. So I want to get you an overview of the screener. So if once you're on the screener tab, so here, once you're in the home page, search. Once you're in the screener tab, you can use the like I told you, the search bar to search for it's basically a TLDR. So you can use it to search for the tokens that you want to trade. You can let's go all networks, and you can even search, let's say Base, right? BTCB. As you can see here, it's already pulled up Bitcoin and Base, and you can see all the tokens. You can see if it's verified. So verified tokens are tokens that is verified, as in it's legit, not some random ass token made by some people, right? So yeah, you can see this as well. So just want to show this as well right now. So yeah, as you can see, you can just go here, select the token that you want to buy or sell, or even get the stats too. So you get real-time price updates, liquidity and volume metrics, and best execution price. So yeah, LFJ basically ensures low slippage and the best swap rate, so you're always getting the most out of your trades. So now yeah, let's get into the limit orders part. Okay, that's also really cool. Let's say you have you have a target price and you want to do swaps with zero slippage. So yeah, like I told you, once you're in the LFJ homepage, click on place order, and then you can, let's say Wink, right? I'm gonna go select Wink. So if you select Wink, you can place your limit order, and you can also set expiry. So you can set expiry to be 1 hour, 1 day, 3 days, 7 days, 30 days, and even custom, what's it called? Let's say if it's custom, you can select how many hours and minutes you want the order to expire at. So when a limit order expires, you have to cancel the order to get your tokens. A gas fee is charged at the time of signing the transactions. So yeah, basically you can do this. And if you click here as well, you can see the stats chart here. And you can basically do it's like a trading view chart, so you can do your shenanigans. I'm not too familiar with doing all of these tools. I'm only like familiar with analyzing the chart. So yeah. So for the fee structure that I want to talk about is that there is 0% fee for Joe, AVAX, and Joe USDC swaps, 0.1% fee for AVAX USDC, and 0.2% platform fee for all other pairs. So yeah, it's basically low fees now. Like even like for now, the fees is so low. Like even for the bridge, I use the LFJ bridge instead of any other bridges. It is just so cheap and it's really quick. So yeah, that's just another feature that I want to highlight. It's not about the bridge, but it's more about the limit orders and the screener basically. So yeah, so no surprise fees, just clear low cost trading. So yeah, so what if you want to do like, let's say, like, yeah, let me just pull up Wink on AVAX. And now you want to trade smarter. What you need to do is use like screen filters. You can use filters here. By the way, on TradingView you can use these filters to find trending tokens fast. You can check liquidity and volume before making large trades. So you can check the volume here, you can check the traders, you can check the total amount of liquidity as well, and you can check who all are holding, what amount of percentage of the supply it is basically, and make an informed decision while trading. As always, none of this that I say is financial advice. Always do your own research. So yeah, also like last one, I just again it's a little TLDR. You can swap across multiple chains. So yeah, it works across top chains: AVAX, Arbitrum, BNB, Base, and Berachain. That's really good. So yeah, that's pretty much my overview of the new trading terminal and screener. It makes it finding and trading tokens smoother than ever. So like now I don't need to open up Dex Screener and have LFJ as a page. Like I can do it at a single place, and that's just like really good. So yeah, whether you are a pro or like just getting started, so these tools just help you trade faster, smarter, and safer. So yeah, by the way, try the beta, share your feedback, and also join the LFJ community. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more DeFi alpha. So yeah, see you in the next one. Take care guys. Bye bye.